Happy Sunday. Hey guys, I'm going to Home Goods and I'm bringing you along.
Getting ready and prepared to get into Home Goods. Got to put my mask on first. It's a nice sunny day. Perfect for shopping. Ready to get inside and see what finds they have. Let's go. They had some nice decor, flowers. They seemed a little bit like fall decor. Definitely a good pillow selection. I need some new pillows. This one looks interesting, $24.99. Not sure if it's for me or my style, but I like how the size of it. Some more good pillows on the other side. This one's $16.99. Ooh, my favorite section, art section. I have an overflow of art already, but I can always use another piece. Love a good canvas. This type of art in the shadow boxes, $39.99, is always hard to find lately, but very beautiful. Today they had an overflow of art. I love this find, this bowl. I was walking around with it in Home Goods and a lady stopped me and asked me, was that the last one? This art here is good for a children's room, nice and colorful. A nice good chair selection. Looking for new kitchen chairs. This piece right here is $49.99. Very beautiful, but I don't think my color is purple. Now right here, this table is a steal. For $49.99, you cannot beat that. I definitely needed a console, something small. This sculpture was different. It was a Mikasa, and the price you cannot beat. Just wait for it to find out which items I actually took home with me. Right now, if you want to, pause the video and type in the comments which pieces you think I took home. Snagged a good coffee table book, Coach. You can also find this book on Amazon. The price at Home Goods was a lot better. I purchased it for $39.99 at Home Goods. I also have this other coffee table book, this Vogue book with Rihanna on the cover. You can also find this at Amazon for a good price. I love this pot. It gives me Restoration Hardware vibes. And these faux books. There goes the Mikasa I purchased. Did you guess right? And that bowl. And guess what it's sitting on? The table. More coffee table books. Something about this picture just gave me boho chic vibes.
Hey guys, thanks for watching my video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell to see what fabulous finds I find next.